Welcome to today's episode, guys. I'm Mariam, and today we want to chat about you must let go of a narcissist. Why? First of all, by letting go of a narcissist, you begin healing your nervous system. You see, narcissistic abuse keeps your nervous system in the survival state. What I'm saying is your nervous system is constantly battling with reality. It means that you're constantly surviving life. How? By reinforcing the flight trauma response, the fight trauma response, or the freeze trauma response. So it is like you're in this battleground that doesn't allow you to feel at peace. Constant pressure, constantly demanding something, constantly minimizing you, accusing you, blaming you, guilt tripping you. So your nervous system is on fire the whole time. You can't recover. So you must let go of a narcissist because it is the first step to your healing. It is the first step towards your recovery. The next thing is, narcissists are so good at creating an invisible debt. You always owe them something. Emotionally, psychologically, there is always something that you haven't shown up for, that you haven't fixed with them. So the whole time you're being pushed into lack and scarcity. But the basis of the universe is abundance. So by you staying in that scarcity and lack, which has been reinforced by the narcissist, you're only experiencing survival. So you want to let them go because you want to receive abundantly. But because of that invisible debt being tied to you by that narcissist, you can't. Your nervous system doesn't cope. Your nervous system doesn't allow. So you want to let go of a narcissist and get them out of your life physically, emotionally, and energetically because you want to heal your nervous system. You want to come out of that hidden debt that you've been carrying God knows for how long. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to honor yourself, to honor your journey, to honor who you truly are. Once again, if you're looking for one-on-one coaching sessions, make sure you reach out to me. My email is in the description below. I want to thank you for your support, kindness, and generosity. You've got this. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.